Kamigs, welcome naman po sa football training mga kamigs. Araw po ngayon mga kamigs is Saturday mga kamigs. Ensayo pa rin kami mga kamigs para sa paghahanda sa darating na tournament mga kamigs. So tara mga kamigs, panurin nyo Bata Tigers Football Club training.
Yung ba na coach? Papabuka mo pula coach.
Pride of Lumbia, Cagayan, our city. KG John Paul on the mix.
Why pasa esto niya mo?
Give me freedom, give me fire, give me reason, take me higher. See the champions, take the field now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifting, and we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us, every nation, all around us. Singing forever young, singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game, and together at the end of the day, we all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. Get older, I will be stronger.
Kamigs, dito na nagtatapos yung ensayo namin mga kamigs. So, abangan nyo lang sa sunod mga kamigs, yung mga kamigs dito sa Barangay Bata, Gold Crest Village mga kamigs. Shout out po sa Team Volleyball. Salamat sa supportan nyo. Dito lang ako nakasuporta sa inyo. Bye!
Give you freedom, give you fire, give you reason, take you higher. See the champions, take the field now. Unify